English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Hey, dear English learners, welcome back to English with Moses. This is day 4 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about our families in English. But remember, don't try to be perfect. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy speaking English. Because the secret to improving your English is simple. Practice every single day. All right, let's start today's conversation. Hi, Sally. How are you today? Welcome back for day 4.
Hi, Moses. I am fine. Thank you. I am so glad to be here again. Today, we're talking about a topic everyone loves, family.
Yes, family is a wonderful topic to talk about. But sometimes, learners don't know the right words or they get confused with titles.
That's true. People often ask, should I say brother, sister, or sibling? Or they worry about describing how many people are in their home.
Exactly. So today, let's make it very simple and natural. Sally, tell us a little bit about your family. Do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a relatively small family. There are 4 of us, my parents, my brother, and me.
Oh, that's nice. What about your brother? Is he older than you or younger?
He is younger than me. He is 21 years old. His name is Thomas.
And what does Thomas do? Is he also a student?
Yes, he is. He is studying engineering at university. He loves fixing things.
That sounds like a very smart brother. What about your parents, Sally? What do they do?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches science to children. And my father works in an office. He is an accountant.
That is wonderful. Do you all live in the same house?
No, not anymore. My parents live in our hometown, but my brother and I live in the city for university. However, we are very close. We talk on the phone every single week.
That is so important. Being close to family is a great blessing. How about your extended family? Do you have many aunts, uncles, or cousins?
Oh, yes. My mother has 4 sisters, so I have many cousins. We usually gather together during the holidays. It gets very loud and fun.
I love big family gatherings. They are full of joy and good food. Do you also have any pets, Sally? Many people consider pets as family members too.
Ah, yes, I almost forgot. We have a small brown dog named Max. He lives with my parents in my hometown. He is extremely friendly and loves to play.
That is beautiful. Dogs really do become part of the family.
Let's help our learners practice speaking.
Great job. Now it's your turn, dear listeners. Listen and repeat after Sally. Try to copy her pronunciation and rhythm. Let's go. The flower is yours, Sally.
Thanks, Moses. So, repeat after me. There are 4 people in my family. I have a relatively small family. I have a younger brother. His name is Thomas. He is 21 years old. He is studying engineering. He is a very smart boy. My mother is a school teacher. She teaches science to children. My father is an accountant. He works in a quiet office. We do not live in the same house. My parents live in our hometown. We are a very close family. We talk on the phone every week. I have many aunts and uncles. I have a lot of cousins. We gather during the holidays. Our gatherings are loud and fun. We also have a small brown dog. His name is Max. He is a friendly dog. He loves to play all day. I love my family very much.
Amazing work, dear listeners. You have just completed day 4 of our English shadowing challenge. Remember, confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Now, I have a challenge for you. Write a short paragraph about your family in the comments. Tell us, how many people are in your family? Do you have brothers or sisters? What do they do? Do you have any pets? And do you live together? I can't wait to read your answers. And if this lesson helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more English learners discover English with Moses. Don't forget to subscribe and join us tomorrow for day 5. We will learn how to describe your daily routine. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you next day. Thanks for watching. Bye.